Love Wildwood? Bring its story home with Wildwood graphic novels. From neon signs to boardwalk vibes. Explore Wildwood's do-up motels, Randy Senna's fascination machines, and the real 1977 Castle Dracula Employee Handbook. These are all available to purchase at bombshell-comics.com and at the George F. Boyer Museum in Wildwood.
Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready? We've got a winner every game. We've got a prize every single time. Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready to play? Who's going to be our next?